Just this week, I've been dealing with a mom and a dad whose kindergartner was abused by a child on the school bus. And they called me and they said, you know, we've talked to a number of attorneys who were just really callous and didn't seem like they cared. And you sound like you are sincerely caring for our family and what we're going through. And I think that that is one of the things that we try to do. Not only bring, you know, our experience in handling these cases and helping families, but that extra component of being the shoulder that the family can lean on in this time of crisis. One of the first things I tell them is, well, we need to make sure the police are notified. The reason it's important to notify the police, obviously, is so they can start an investigation. The police will also interview the victim, the child. They're set up for that. Phoenix Police, Mesa Police, Scottsdale Police, all of your Valley police departments have specialists who are trained to sit down with young children, make them comfortable, and get the story from them. Then they will go and interview the abuser. And so it's very important that the police get involved. So there's two components. If the police investigate it, they think there's enough to charge an abuser, they'll charge them with a sex crime. Then there's the civil component, which is where I really come into play. I guide them in the criminal, but I really help them in the civil. And the civil is, how do I right this wrong that's been done to my family, to me, or to my child? You can't unwind the clock because that's what everybody would wish to do. Let's go back in time and just erase this event from history. We're confronted with, you can't do that. How do we make this right, or as best we can, correct the situation? And that's where the civil component comes in. Anyone who's been a victim of sexual assault or molestation in Phoenix, Arizona, can give me a call anytime, and I'm more than happy to speak to them on the phone just to give them some peace of mind and guidance at the moment as to what they can do at that time, and then a snapshot or just an overlay of what the future might look like.